deer for sale early in the morning. Yeah, so we came down here last night and walked this trail at night, and it was all lit up. Actually, we didn't realize there were street lights. This whole area was just lit up.
And you can go swimming at night because I saw people doing it.
Yeah.
I asked them where the pool was, and they said,
Right there. Yeah. Donde el barque? So, right there. We stayed the night last night in the cabin, in the cabana, and we are doing this early in the morning. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning, so we're heading up, and we have to check out by noon. So we got a couple of items left in the room we need to pick up. After that, we're heading back to San Cristobal. Cool. And these some other cabanas here. I don't know if they were for rent or not, but I believe I may take a swim on the way back down. Amazing.
El Chiflon is the largest falls in Mexico, definitely in Chiapas. You can find it 2.5 hours away, which is 102 kilometers from San Cristobal. There are 5 waterfalls. The Falls de Novio, or Falls of the Bride, is the largest falls.
The next set of falls here is Angel Falls. Just pool after beautiful pool all the way up from waterfall to waterfall. Amazing. The color is just incredible.
Don't worry, if the hike on the way up is too much for you, you can always take the zip line all the way back down, at least from the largest falls.
Oh, wow. So, beautiful pools. A little misty and quite a bit of air actually coming off this nice cool breeze. Woo. Woo. What do you think?
oh my goodness.
Wow. Well, let me just go on up here. It's pretty wet up here at the pinnacle. Wow. Well,
Woo!
what do you got to say for yourself?
This is incredible. I would have never, we've been to a lot of waterfalls,
Yeah.
but this takes the cake, don't you
I mean,
think?
well, Yellowstone is pretty damn good, but
Yeah.
you don't get this close to it. I mean, you get pretty close at the very top, but this is a pretty incredible view. And besides that, if you flew a drone at Yellowstone, I think they would probably cut your wiener off.
Oh, yeah.
Or whatever. And here, we'll fly a drone, no problem. Well, that was incredible. Now for the long walk down, breakfast, and the drive back to San Cris. Just when I thought we were done,
2 more.
there's 2 more. And I assume we're just going to the top of the one that I just droned. Yeah, we're heading in that direction. So we're going the last 180 meters against my wishes. I might like it when I get there. It better be somewhere to swim. That is beautiful. We have one more. Looks like it's 470 meters of walking up to the next stop. And it's Cascada Falls. I think the last zip line was 1,300 meters below. Woo! What a hike. Was it worth it?
Long way down.
Probably take us a half an hour, yeah?
Holy crap. No. It's going to take us longer than that. We're going to have to catch the zip line.
Well, this is the absolute pinnacle, at least of this trail. There's a side trail that'll take you higher, but I don't think it's recommended. Anyway, it's all downhill from here. Literally. Almost slipped and busted my ass. The swim was totally worth it. Look at that view. Holy moly. Woo-wee. Beautiful day. And it was hot. It was a long hike down from that hill. And this is the first place that we found we can swim. And it was definitely worth cooling down. Day 63. We're almost back to the hotel. Yeah. Oh,
It was a little longer than I had anticipated.
Yeah, what a hike.
It was a hike.
Definitely.
So it took us almost an hour to get down. So that tells you, oh, we started at 9. It's been 3 hours. We're not done yet,
Right?
but almost.
We're almost there. Almost breakfast time.
When you get to the Falls of the Bride, you're really only halfway. But you don't think that. You think you're at the end, right? And then
Yeah.
you see this tiny trail going up further. And that's the doozy.
Yeah, another 1,300 meters of hike.
Yeah, and it's steep.
So this was our cabana, if you want to call it that. 2 beds and a restroom. But we had this. Right next to our window is the river, and that was going all night long. Probably why I had to get up and pee like 4 times. You slept like a baby. She slept like a baby. I kept waking up to take a leak, and I think it was because I kept, well, I had a big cup of coffee before I went to bed, and then I heard the waterfall all night long. Peace out. We're out of El Chiflon and heading back to San Cris.